Dryer fires are typically caused by improperly operating the dryer. Dryer fires happen most often due to not cleaning out lint traps, overloading the machine, or putting clothes that aren't meant for a dryer into the unit. The heat coming from the dryer's elements is extremely hot, even when the setting is set for low heat. Read the care instructions for your clothes and don't place fabrics that are not meant for dryers into the dryer, but hang them to dry. Materials such as nylon, neoprene, rayon, and new Dri-fit materials often say you can use the air-only setting if you wish to dry. These materials cannot be placed in with cottons and blends thinking that it would be okay. It is also important to not overload the washers. Please be mindful when you need to wash several towels. It's better to run more loads than overloading the washer and causing it to overflow and break. Laundry pots tend to be the best type of detergent to use because they eliminate the potential for big spills and messes. They are pre-measured, convenient, and easy to carry. Be sure to check for allergies and skin sensitivity when using laundry detergents, softeners, and other products. Rules to remember: do not overload the washer or dryer. 1 load of wash equals 1 load of dry. Pull the items out as they dry. Do not restart the dryer as soon as the cycle is done. This will overwork the dryer. And lastly, if a washer begins to overflow with water or is leaking or the dryer begins to smoke, alert the front desk immediately.